Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get the perfect brown for women of color. I've tried to find I played with different colors like that goes perfectly with our skin tone, well, with my skin tone personally, and now I think I found the perfect color. I did not show you guys the color yet, but I think it's towards the end. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looks like, but I am gonna write exactly what it is in the description bar, so make sure you guys check that out. Well, you guys are gonna see it throughout the video, but if you want to just know what it is, it's gonna be in the description bar down below. And the steps is pretty repetitive. Before I did this, I did spray the lace with Gots to Be spray, and this would just prevent it from how do I say it, leak through the lace. So you don't want your lace to turn out brown too. I mean, you are gonna eventually tint it, but using the Gots to Be spray on the lace is gonna prevent it from dyeing. As you can see, I'm taking little sections, so I'm going little by little, and I'm also putting it on the top and also the bottom of it, like I'm doing right now. So I'm doing the back and the front, if that makes sense. So both of them could be coated pretty well when you do want to do a part. Right now, I'm basically done. I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit on some few spaces that I missed and everything. And after that, it says on the bottle to leave it in for 15 minutes. But if you don't have 15 minutes, you can literally just use a blow dryer to shorten the time and stuff like that. And after this, you just wash it off. I would be very careful to wash it off because when I did wash it, some of the brown did stain the hair a little bit, not too much, but I would suggest you try to wash it fairly careful. Now, this is the finished look. As you guys can see, some of the color did like die a little off. So now it's a little more lighter, but it's not too light. It's basically the perfect brown for a brown skin. I would suggest you still tint the lace so it could go better with your skin complexion. But overall, that's basically how it looks. But if you guys found this video helpful or you guys tried this before, please make sure you put in the description bar and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.